Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is your name?
I'm Jennifer Pinla.
Jennifer, how old are you?
I'm 36 years old, sir.
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
And do you have children?
Yes, sir. I have two children, sir, ages 14 and 10 years old.
13, 14 and 10 years old. So if you go to Hong Kong to work, who will take care of your children?
My parents will take care of them, sir.
Jennifer, where did you work before?
Here in the Philippines, sir.
What did you do?
As a housemaid, sir.
How many people in the family?
Three, sir. Both parents and the child, sir.
How old was the child when you started working here?
1 year, sir.
Only 1 year old?
Yes, sir.
So how did you take care of this little child?
I'll do the bathing, I'll do the feeding, also I'll take care of the child. I also play with him, sir.
Okay, let's say if I get an employer in Hong Kong, there was a baby 6 months or newborn. The madam is the first time, the first baby, no experience. They all rely on you to take care.
Yes,
to
sir.
feed, to help everything, and also to take care of the madam because it's the first time as a mommy.
Yes, sir.
Can you manage?
Yes, sir.
It's going to be a very hard job because you have to wake up several times in the midnight
Yes,
to feed.
Yes,
you know more than I do, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
No problem with that, sir.
You're willing to do so?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're ready to do the hard job.
Yes, sir.
Or if they have some dogs, 2 dogs.
Yes, sir. It's okay for me, sir.
Big dogs?
It's okay, sir.
Oh, very good to hear it then. Very easy.
Yes.
All right. And can you cook?
Yes, sir.
What food?
Mostly Filipino food, sir.
But do you like cooking?
Yes, sir.
So if the employer teaches you cooking Chinese food, it will be easy for you to pick up.
I love to do that, sir.
Can you swim?
No, sir.
Finally, I find something you know, huh? Okay, can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, sir.
You have anything to tell your future employer here?
A good day, sir, madam. If you choose me, I will promise you to do all my duties and responsibilities in your home, and I will promise also to take care of your family and children with all my best. That's all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Hope to see you in Hong Kong soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.